In this video, we will cover the process of handling a dropshipping product that is out of stock by identifying alternative high-demand products quickly and efficiently. First, you need to filter the best products available on the market today. Use the search function to see all products, then apply filters to narrow your results. Focus on suppliers located in the United States to ensure faster shipping times. Select products that can be delivered within 1 to 3 days, which allows you to serve your customers more efficiently. Next, sort the results by recommended, top performing, or bestseller options. This will show you the most popular and high-performing products currently available. By doing this, you can quickly identify trending products with competitive pricing, allowing you to offer your customers the fastest service possible while maintaining a good profit margin. Once you have identified suitable products, apply these steps directly to your own inventory. This approach ensures that even if a product goes out of stock, you can replace it efficiently with another hot-selling item, minimizing disruption to your sales and maximizing your revenue. Following this method consistently will help you maintain a reliable and profitable dropshipping business. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.